Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنك لعلى خلق عظيم صدق الله العظيم. Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. The Lord of the world, the Master of the day after, the Creator of everything in all universes. And peace and salvation be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from darkness into the brightness and guided us the right way of life. And honorable chief guest, respectable teacher, faithful judges, my dear madrasa fellows, kind regards to all. Today, the topic of